In today's video, we're going to explore 15 essential items that you may never think to stockpile but should. Preparedness is about more than just having enough food and water. It's about anticipating your needs and ensuring you have the supplies to weather various situations. Batteries. Having an assortment of batteries in different sizes is essential. They power not only flashlights but also radios, portable fans, and various other devices during power outages or emergency situations. Item Ts. It's easy to forget about spare keys, but they can be a lifesaver if you ever get locked out of your home, car, or a critical storage area during a crisis. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is crucial for maintaining good hygiene when soap and water are scarce. It's especially valuable during travel or in situations where access to proper hand-washing facilities is limited. Extra prescription medications. If you have ongoing medical needs, it's vital to keep an extra supply of prescription medications on hand. This ensures you won't run out if pharmacies are closed or unavailable. First aid supplies. A comprehensive first aid kit is a must-have. It should include bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, scissors, tweezers, and other medical tools. Be sure to regularly check and replenish expired items. Trash bags. Heavy-duty trash bags are incredibly versatile. They can be used for waste disposal, makeshift rain ponchos, emergency shelter, and even as waterproofing for critical items. Personal hygiene items. Maintaining personal hygiene is crucial during emergencies. Stockpile items like toothpaste, toothbrushes, soap, shampoo, and sanitary products. Consider biodegradable options for sustainability. Item Iris duct tape. Duct tape is known as the ultimate fix-all tool. It can temporarily repair torn clothing, seal leaks in tents, patch up damaged gear, and even assist in vehicle repairs. Multi-tool or Swiss Army knife. A multi-tool or Swiss Army knife is a versatile tool that can help with various tasks, such as opening cans, cutting ropes, making minor repairs, and serving as an eating utensil. Solar charger. In a prolonged power outage, a portable solar charger can keep your essential electronic devices powered, providing communication and information access. Firewood and lighters. If you have a fireplace or wood-burning stove, having a supply of firewood and lighters can be a source of heat and a means of cooking in situations where conventional power sources are unavailable. Spare eyeglasses or contact lenses. If you rely on corrective eyewear, having a spare pair of glasses or an extra supply of contact lenses ensures you can see clearly, especially during critical times when replacements might be hard to come by. Ziploc bags. Ziploc bags are excellent for organizing small items, keeping them dry, and preventing them from getting lost. They can also serve as waterproof containers for critical documents, electronics, or supplies. Maps and compass. In the event of GPS failure or loss of electronic devices, physical maps and a compass can be invaluable for navigation. They provide a reliable means of finding your way in unfamiliar territory. By thoughtfully stockpiling these often overlooked essentials, you'll be better prepared to handle unexpected situations and emergencies, ensuring your safety, comfort, and well-being. Preparedness is about foresight, and having these items on hand can make a significant difference in your ability to weather various challenges.